So to start with, we would like to show you the primer of our company as an introduction to Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated.
Vibrant. Vibrancy is a concept that is deeply ingrained in the building and construction industry, evoking progress, growth, and innovation. We are Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, drawing inspiration from this dynamic spirit. The founders of Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated set out to revolutionize the construction industry with a bold vision and a commitment to harnessing the power of technology in construction. Since our inception in 1999, Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, also known as VTS, has been relentlessly and effectively channeling opportunities to our customers to grow and succeed. We are the sole reseller of Tekla Solutions by Trimble since year 2000. As the sole reseller of Tekla Solutions by Trimble, VTS offers a comprehensive range of cutting-edge products and services to the building and construction industry. Our solutions include Tekla structures, Tekla TADS, Tekla PowerFab, Tekla EPM, Tekla Structural Designer, SketchUp Pro, and Trimble Connect. We also provide solutions for enhanced project visualization through augmented and mixed reality. Our solution for AR and MR includes XR10 with HoloLens 2 and Trimble Connect AR. BTS is the only authorized training and Tekla professional certification center in the Philippines. In addition, we also provide linear construction material optimization solutions. We offer Raiden Systems, CP Manager, and AutoNest so that construction leaders can optimize their material usage, minimize waste, and streamline their production processes. Overall, we are entrusted by Trimble Inc. with the sales, marketing, business development, and technical support across Trimble's building solutions portfolio. We are one of the leaders of this technology. We at VTS believe that customer engagement and enjoyment are just as important as delivering top quality solutions. We take pride in channeling opportunities and in fostering a strong sense of community amongst our clients. At the heart of our business, we place a strong emphasis on cultivating meaningful relationships with both our existing and new clients. Our commitment to customer service is unwavering, and we take pride in providing easy to approach local support that is always reliable and transparent. Our goal is that when people think of Tekla Solutions, they immediately think of VTS, a trusted partner and industry leader that is dedicated to helping our customers achieve their goals and reach new heights of success. Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, channeling opportunities. Tekla Solutions by Trimble. Still different, but always better.
All right, and now to formally introduce our speaker. So again, good morning everyone. Yeah, may mga nakapasok pa ulit, no? Welcome to today's webinar. The title of our webinar is Revolutionize Precast Delivery, Save Time and Money with Tekla 2025. It is my pleasure to introduce our speaker, Engineer Philip De Rojas from Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated. With over 10 years of experience in the construction and technology industry, Philip brings a wealth of expertise from technical roles to his current position as sales account manager, while also serving as a technical supervisor. His unique blend of hands on technical knowledge and client focused insight makes him the ideal guide to showcase how Tekla Structures 2025 can save time and money in precast delivery. So please join me in giving a warm welcome to Philip as he shares his expertise with us today. Sir Philip, first stage.
Good morning, everyone. I'm thrilled to walk you through how Tekla 2025 can transform your precast projects. Whether you are a structural engineer, a detailer, or a fabricator, this webinar will show you how Tekla 2025 boosts your efficiency and reduce your costs. So let's get started. So to start my presentation, I want to gather what are the agenda of our presentation today. So let me start it with the challenges in the precast delivery. So I will be giving you top three common challenges na na-encounter natin during our precast projects. And next is I will dive in what is Tekla structures for the newer persons or new sa inyong mga bago lang. What is Tekla structures? So I will be introducing it for how powerful you can use it for the precast projects. Next will be addressing the key features of what Tekla 2025 will be giving the what do you call it? The solution for the challenges for the precast industry. And for the last is the real world example or benefits na regards with the Tekla structures. So that's all for the agenda. So let's start with challenges in precast. So common issue project on the project timelines and budgets na na-encounter natin. So first is the precast concrete industry faces persistent challenges that impacts project timeless and budgets. No? So number one dito sa ating mga challenges na na-encounter is the tight schedule. No? From the detailing part, from the production up to the delivery, we always have a tight schedule. So what are the problems na or what are the things na dapat natin ma-provide or matanggal para dun sa mga delays natin for the projects. And of course, kung manual process, you are doing a manual process, it may give you error risks that frequently result in costly rework and material waste, no? Especially kung di tayo gumagamit ng any solutions with regards the delivering of our projects, it will always occur the errors for the manuals. And syempre, about the additional for the poor coordination between the design and the production teams, it will create communication gaps that further compound their issues, leading to misalignment between the design intent ng ating project up to manufactured element natin. So usually yung mga QA, QC natin for the projects will be deliberate inside kung gaano ba kataas yung quality na ipoproduce ng isang yard papunta sa ating mga projects. So let me introduce first what is Tekla structures. This is a leading BIM solution for structural design and detailing, not only for purpose of modeling 3D, but also for the detailing part and up to how automate the publication for the Tekla structures or for the precast projects. So Tekla Structures stands as a leading BIM solution. So Tekla Structures is a BIM solution for especially for structural that can cater not only yung ating detailing side but also the design part up to fabrication, automated fabrication natin. No, this is a powerful platform enables create 3D modeling, detailing documentation, seamless collaboration across the entire construction life cycle. So the Tekla structures is used by professional worldwide. No, uh, Tekla has been the industry standard for structural design and precast detailing nowadays. No, but let me show you how Tekla structures evolves through decades. So for what begins, let's begin as Tekla is a steel origins or primary focus on steel detailing. But over the decades, the comprehensive platform addressing multiple material like precast, concrete, rebar detailing, and many more. Or as long as the material can be added in the solution, you can alter or model all the details inside the tech structures. Then this expansion in precast concrete solutions marked a significant milestone, bringing special tools for the complex application. Now, Tekla 2025 represents the culmination, and this development introduced advanced automation and collaboration tool that redefines precast delivery efficiency. So that's the evolution of Tekla. So the Tekla from the steel detailing focus up to right now, any material type can be created throughout the solutions. Number three, let me show you what are the key features or the advanced tool for the precast application that can be used in Tekla structures. Number one, enhanced modeling and detailing. For let's start with the modeling side. No, if you are yung gumagawa ka ng precast project, usually kung manual ka to fabrication, you will be using 2D. But in Tekla structures, we have enhanced modeling, which is you can model beam, 3D beam, and detail the reinforcement, columns, walls, slab, hollow core slab or slab for flat slab, no, and beam connections, and even the hardest part na dinidetail natin sa construction, the stairs. No? In Tekla structures, you can use pick one point or pick 2 points to create easily yung ating stairs, which is nag-include na ng mga reinforcement detail, embedded na needed mo, and all the details for the part will be easily to create. So let me give you some demo video that para makita natin in action how Tekla structures can create constructible or enhanced modeling. So with Tekla structure, you can create highly detailed beam constructible model with all type of precast components. So let me show you some sample projects that we can see all the details for the projects. So for example, you have a column with the detailed reinforcement inside. You also can create beams, right? Detailed. Also walls, and even the precast slab details inside it. Then after that, we can easily create for the fast modeling. Kung example natin as we have flat 2D CAD inside, pwede nating i-model yung column sa just one click, beams, just 2 picks, and meron tayong mga features to copy it or to make the modeling pace much faster. And editing the geometry will be never been hard in Tekla structures. And during the precast component connections, we have an built-in na pwede nyo magamit, which is pwede pang mag-adjust. It depends from your profile needed mo. No? So yung revision or yung mga profile modification will be easy. Even the adjustment, it will automatically adjust. And for example naman, meron kang mga walls na ginagamit, no? We have wall layout modeling implementations na pwede nating gamitin to create easily yung mga openings, even layouting yung ating mga plans inside as a reference and creating the detailed inside it. No? It will make you more or much more easier during the 3D modeling. If you have an adjustment inside, no? Yung ating tool is a flexible naman. So easy adjust using direct modification. In case naman you have to model in 3D, you can easily view dun sa ating floor layouts. No? We have automatic yung modification about the profiles, even optimization ng panels or ng slabs, you can do it easily. Then we are also introducing the wall elementation, which regards you can cut yung ating mga precast, depends dun sa weight mo or kung depends the dimension prepared mo for the precast elements. So you can see, just click two picks and then you can easily cut. Then pagdating naman sa mga modification inside dun sa ating panels, we have an intelligent components which is adjust easily when revision is needed. As in case naman you needed to detail, meron tayong bawat element na pinapakita yung ating mga column reinforcements, which is pag-pick mo lang dun sa component, pick the element, it will automatically detail everything, no? And you need to adjust na lang for ating precise detailing. If you need to batch details, we will have the detailing manager to easy detail all the precast elements. Pagdating sa mga revision, modification, pag-penetrate ng mga openings, yan, pag-adjust ng mga embed, it can easily adjust during the 3D modeling pa lang. Then, not only for modeling view and purposes, you can also create drawings inside the text structures. It is a detailed drawing, so you can select the element, for example, the column, and select a layout na needed mo or mas malapit sa'yo. Then, i-output nyo na lahat for the element, bill of materials, bar bending schedules, views, all are automatically created based on the layout na meron ka or needed mo. No? Even yung ating iba't ibang presentation with the 3D, 2D view sections. Not only detailed panels can be created, you can also create panelization or 3D view model. Sectioning is never been hard for the Tekla, so you can create section easily. Pagdating naman sa mga revision all throughout the projects, madali lang kasi it will automatically update the drawings once we adjust it in the model. Then don't worry about the communication or coordination can be also created sa ating Tekla. Using our Trimble Connect, you can use the status model sharing to check every details na meron ka sa site or dun sa ating projects. Pagdating naman sa ating mga automation like to the machinery, the solution is more on capable. Can output any file na needed mo for the construction projects. So that's for the enhanced modeling. Let's talk about naman yung how automation in production can be. No, that I'm saying that the Tekla structures is not only 3D models. No, it can extract not only detail for precast elements or reinforcement. It can extract data na pwede mong ipasa through machine and directly makakagawa yung fabrication if you are using robot settings or stations by station for the creation. Halimbawa, kay-create niyo yung reinforcement or this portion, you can do it inside the Tekla structures. No? So, yeah. I want to show you then yung small video or short video that can introduce yung ating workflow using the Tekla structures. Yeah. Imagine you have a project that you will be starting for the design up to the estimating and for bidding and all throughout the projects construction site kung meron ka, no? So from and related relation dito meron ka ring related with the yard, no? Then for the conceptual, you can create the model inside the Tekla structures, no? Easily panelization using wall layout. So it will give you a quick precast concept creation, then with an accurate estimate, no? Not only nag-imagine ka lang for that part, but also an accurate. Then you can see some options. You can do some option for some direction for the bearing walls. You can lay, kasi pag na-layout na, makikita mo na siya. So you can address na yung needed mo dun sa projects or kung pa pwede mo na siyang i-compare. No? But also, yung quality mo is the same pa rin. No? So you can address this direction for that or on that kung ano ba yung mas makakatipid sa ating projects. So then syempre yung categorize ng section per area, no, you can use it or the Tekla structure can do it. Using our organizer, you can separate floor, by section or by area. And once the project is awarded to you directly, no, o kung meron na, you can do the planning na agad or the production modeling creation by the detailing. Kasi once matapos mo na yung model, you can create na yung ating detailed for the structures. No, you can analyze and calculate here in the structural for that wall. Then you can detail every single reinforcement inside, which is mas madali natin may imagine kung meron tayong 3D. Then even adding the grouts, dowels, adding the lifting hook, or lifting anchor, prop insert, even the wall connection per panel can do. Then you can compare every elements. No, yeah, you can analyze it by or you can do it by element na need kung ano yung sandwich wall mo, ano yung solid wall mo. You can do it. And syempre, not only that, you can create also the drawing. At I said before, hindi lang naman 3D model o 3D modeling pwede natin. Pwede rin tayong create ng 3D drawings, no? And a detailed drawings. No? Once magawa mo na yun, even the, for example, the elevation for the panelization, you can create it inside the Tekla structures. Then detailed per plan, you can do it also. So it is a one-stop tool talaga na pwede nating magamit para sa ating precast projects. Even the detailed drawing per panel, you can output it, no? Which is magbibigay siya ng build-up materials, 3D views, mga details for the mold and detail for the reinforcement. Once the drawing is completed, you can alter na yung ating change management. And for example, you have a revision using merong pagbabago sa architect with the design. You can easily adjust here in our Tekla structures. No, it will the change management can track yung production dimension, factory. So we can say that the site capacity is too big para dun sa ating weight ng ating lifting ng ating crane, no? You can easily model or adjust. Then you can see when we adjust it, the drawing will also adjust. So model based lang yung needed natin. Then you can address na yung concerns. No? During that, you can also do the production planning inside the Tekla structures. You can address floor by floors. You can extract data from Excel output, no? Ano ba yung volume, ano yung diameter, ano yung needed ko para dito sa floor na to. You can extract everything using Excel. Even the bed planning para dun sa inyong precast, we can do it, no? For example, the mold, no? We'll create the mold that based on the details. So yung mga cut and bend natin, you can alter na dito or you can output na yung ano ba yung mga mesh na o yung mga mesh natin na welding. So, and you can plot it inside doon sa ating or the solution can give an data that can plot the precast panels that we have. So even and when casting and the panel was produced, not only the data na ginamit mo para dun sa ating panelization, but you can also create some delivery options, no? Yung ano ba yung mauuna na dadalhin sa site, no? Ito paano sa to, area 1, area 2, no? You can also do it, no? Then para mas mabilis yung ating deliveries para dun sa ating projects, no? Kung mag-alala, dahil stock list is generated automatically. Then once created report lang, then pasa sa ating Trimble Connect to coordinate papunta sa ating site. Then using the Trimble Connect na, you can easily track what are the finish on the projects, no? Ano ba yung area na binubuo pa lang, ano yung area na kinakabit pa lang o ine-erect pa lang, no? So you can monitor it from the start up to finish ng ating projects. So for all that, we will save actually the time and give mass appropriate budget for that projects. So that's how automation can show in tech structures. In terms of collaboration naman, collaboration tools na magagamit, nababanggit ko kanina, we have what we call Trimble Connect. It is a cloud-based tool or common cloud-based tool na parang Google Drive, which is gives all the discipline incorporate in one data model or common data environment. So everything on the projects will be related, then we'll upload every discipline and see yung ating mga clashes, reportings, ano ba yung needed na comment. So let me make you make or have you a deeper knowledge about the Trimble Connect. So Trimble Connect is a common data environment, like I said before. It will relate all the construction, all the phases on construction life cycle. So kung meron sa site, nag-excavate, may equipment, from the production of precast or related with the detailing, pupunta dun sa ating erection to deliveries, yan, i-relay niya yung lahat, no? So using this Trimble Connect, no, it will give you a common data. So it makes project information much more transparent and traceable, and of course accessible. So this integration simplifies this graph, no? Like I said before, like a Google Drive, no? Trimble Connect is like a Google Drive. Then mag-upload tayo like mga SketchUp file, no, for the architectural. If you are doing the structural using TechStructure, you can upload it in the Trimble Connect. And even kung may model kayo ng mga MEP, pwede natin i-upload doon. Then you can share the data. It depends kung kanino nyo po siya gustong share. Especially kung gusto makita ni owner, gusto makita ni client, you can share the data inside the TechStructure or the Trimble Connect. Once ma-share mo na yung data, pwede nilang makita, or halimbawa, may comment siya, gusto niya pabago to, he can cloud it inside, then upload it in the Trimble Connect again, and we will be notified as a detailer, or kung detailer ka, or si architect you may comment, or kung kay architect you may comment, and he will be notified, no? And it will be used in three types of uh, three types ng ating what we call yung ating data or pwede mong ma-access yung data. Number one is you can use it on the desktop. No? Kung you are the detailer for the project, you can use it in the data. If naman meron ka pong kung hindi you do not need to install, pwede ka naman ng browser. Usually mga owner or client yung meron ito. So you can type on the browser, Trimble Connect, then upload it, log in the account, and you can automatically see the projects. No? Then if you are QC naman or mga checker kayo for the projects, you can use tablet or mobile data or mobile phone to check or to see the model, and you can check na yung ating mga projects. So, kung dati nagtutulit pa tayo o A3, right now, pwede na nating dalhin is the tablet only. Then you can extract doon yung ating mga details or pakita natin sa mga lineman or sa mga project managers kung ano yung mga concerns natin. So I want also to show you. So it is a seamless collaboration for the whole stakeholders ng ating mga projects. So ano ba yung mga pwedeng i-upload na files, no? So we say na yung Trimble Connect is a friendly use naman yan, no? Any data na meron ka, pwede mong ipasok o sa Trimble Connect. No? Even you are 2D, you have a PDF, AutoCAD, Excel, presentation, any type of data na pwede mong even the 3D model ng ibang solution, you can do it. Kung halimbawa, ginawa niya dito sa ibang solution, you can upload pa rin naman sa aming Trimble Connect for a better collaboration para dun sa ating construction project. Next, I want to introduce the intelligent automation. Nowadays, nauuso na yung what we call AI. No? So, Tekla 2025 also have an AI-driven tools na magagamit for Tekla for the productions. No? And it will give you more efficiency to time. Especially, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng mga drawings na kailangan mong sundan para dun sa iyong precast projects or precast elements na ginagawa mo right now. No? So let me start as an AI cloud fabrication. For example, you have 4 projects with different presentation every project. Then you just need to gather all the data inside the Tekla. So kung na-issue mo na to, okay na yan. You just need to gather all the data ng presentation. Once ma-gather na natin, you can upload it on what we call cloud collection. So, i-take niya yan, papasok doon sa cloud collection to set up a company standard para sa inyo. And then, once we use it on the Tekla structures, the AI will classify every element na meron po kayo. For example, may sample presentation ka na dito sa portion na panel. So yung AI na ang titingin kung ano yung pinakamalapit na pwede mong gamitin presentation to it. So it will apply on any of the element na meron ka. As long as meron kang presentation doon sa loob, it will apply. So I will give you some video so we can see it in action. Mas maganda kung makita natin siya. So let's imagine you finish the whole project. This one is the finished project. Then, for example, the user 1 will click the AI Cloud Fabrication and click the collection. Then create a company standard folder that pwede nating gamitin for all the projects. No? Then select the drawing list ng finished project na natin. Select natin lahat ng presentation na meron tayo. And you can click add to upload and compile. I-compile niya yung ating mga drawings. No? It depends dun sa needed nating presentation. Then once ma-apply na yung or ma-organize niya na, you can also check yung mga presentation na na-upload. Just to see kung nakuha niya ba yung needed mo. Then once okay na yan, pwede mo nang i-save yan. And once gusto mo nang i-share, just click yung share. I-add mo lang yung email address ng ating kasama doon sa ating projects. Add mo lang siya just to see, para makita niya yung mga presentation na ginawa mo or yung ginawa mo na doon sa cloud-based. Then the user too will click the collection. Then ihanapin niya lang yung company standard. Once he upload it or select it, papakita na yung libraries ng mga drawings na meron tayo. So just then kung gusto mong gamitin, just yun lang, select mo lang tapos okay na siya, and you can select na element na needed mo, click the AI Cloud Fabrication. Once ma-click mo, it will automatically maghahanap na siya ng pinakamalapit na presentation doon. So yan, makikita mo. Then click mo lang yung create, then yung AI na yung pumili ng presentation. So you can check na lang about any yung presentation. For example, mag-add tayo ng stairs. No? Kasi check mo lang iba just to show yung pinakamalapit na stair niya or the settings. No? Then create mo lang. Then once ma-create mo na, okay na siya, you can open yung drawing na. No? So you can automatically open the drawings. No? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-wait ng ilang hours for the presentation, but eventually you can see na. So anything na nakuha niya sa standard will apply. Even the templates, the section, kung may section siya, even to paper size yung ginagawa mo. No? So it will save time and effort para sa atin sa mga part ng ating pag-detail sa ating instructions. So that's all for the presentation ng AI natin. So let me relate naman how cost and sustainability relate in TechStructure. So in TechStructure 2025, we address the growth of demand, sustainable construction through its innovation, what we call embodied carbon calculator. So beyond environment benefit, the software optimizes material usage by 30%. No? It will save you through optimization design. And also, we introduce the carbon footprint or carbon calculator or carbon reduction, typically decrease the embodied carbon for almost 25%. And 20% cost saving, average material cost in the entire project. Let me show you in action so we can see the embodied carbon calculators. So TechStructure's embodied carbon calculator. So first, while modeling, it is an additional tool sa warehouse na pwede mong i-download, which is dynamically, when you select an element, you can see the carbon footprint ng ating element. No? Then you can model different type of material, and you can compare kung ano ba yung mga carbon footprint ito o ano ba yung mas mababang carbon footprint kapag ginamit mo. Even yung organizing about carbon footprint by weight, okay, or by volume, you can calculate easily and colorize it to see kung ano ba yung mabigat, ito yung magaan. For example, you have two projects with yung isa ito yung direction ng slab for vertical or horizontal, yung isa vertical. You can compare it kung saan ka mas makakatipid. You can select every part or the entire project and you can see how yung magdi-differ or ano yung difference nila. And you can use also yung aming project browser. We can alter every part per section, per product, kung ano yung mga carbon footprint ito. And you can export it directly to the Excel. So do not worry about data no. Kasi pwedeng extract agad for the Excel reports na which is easily natin makikita. Even you want to share it to ibang client or kailangan nila yon, you can use our Trimble Connect and yung carbon footprint papasok na siya doon. So that's for the embodied carbon. So for the last part of my presentation, let me show you a real-world example of benefits. Now, this is the case study na ginawa namin dito sa Philippines. No? Yeah, let me show you our first client is the ArcGas. No? Actually, not first, but eventually there are yung ArcGas is Archipelago Builders. No? Subsidiary sila nito. Na sila yung precast para dito. So they first encountered the problem na using with a manual calculation, hindi nila mapuproduce yung quality. No? So that's why he tried and i-adapt yung innovation ng software, which is the Tekla structures. No? We help them to implement para dun sa kanilang project from the design stage pa lang, modeling side, detailing, papunta hanggang sa fabrication ng construction projects. We see that they are saving time a lot. No? So actually, they are now over the 6 months span na mag-acquire sila ng solution. They already finished 3 projects. No? One for the panels, mga windows, yan. Ito yung this one, yung mga project ni Archipelago na sinupplyan ni Archicast. So within span of 6 months, natapos nila yung project. So the project was completed, no? Na they did not encounter any problems, no? By using also yung ating Trimble Connect for the coordination, they can easily track kung ano yung ito yung i-deliver pa lang, ito yung nakakasana para doon sa set. Now, next is the Acciona DMCI joint venture project. Kung nakita nyo yung ating railway dito sa Pampanga o South Commuter Railway, Pampanga. Yan. This one is we helped them to model the column and the putting and the piles inside dun sa ating Tekla, no? Dun sa kanilang projects, no? This is the station of Spania, no? And also yung kanilang precast pier, which is the viaduct, no? It was created in Tekla structures by a detailed reinforcement. No? We help them to adapt yung precast details nito para dun sa kanilang projects, no? So based on the Mamdar, the crashes of the rivers can be easily seen and it enables good coordination between the construction and the technical team because they can immediately visualize yung current clashes in the model. So in the model pa lang, hindi mo pa magagawa yung project in actual, but nakikita mo na agad. No? Madaling mag-address ng mga concern regarding dun sa ating projects. So automated workflows eliminate time-consuming manual tasks. So based on them, they really addressing na nakasave talaga sila ng time. From the phase pa lang using a parametric tool or a parametric precast modeling for the elements and the component, it will give a 50% faster modeling. Then while doing the detailing na ginagawa natin manually, no? But here in TechnoStructure, you do it in automated drawing generation, it will give 60% faster drawing production. And for the deliveries naman, for the coordination, real time, using our Trimble Connect, it will give a 70% reduction in coordination time. So hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa site to check. No? Using a tablet and a tool in the desktop, you can coordinate easily. Overall, they save 30% faster from project deliveries. It will save across the entire work. In terms naman ng cost saving, dahil kung hindi ka na-delay, kasi that's the one number one is the delay. If you are not giving any delays on the project, we will see the reduction of the total project cost will be 10 to 15% overall savings. Then you minimize the reworks, so it will increase 90% fewer. And if you are optimizing the material usage, it will increase 8 to 12% reduction para dun sa material costing natin. And of course, kung accurate yung quantity mo, precise yung budgeting mo para dun sa projects. And why Tekla 2025? Tekla 2025. Tekla structures is the most highly detailed beam, which give you an accuracy in a model. So it is a 1:1. When you model this part, it will give you an accuracy in extracting the data, volume, weight. So precisely, yung error natin nagdi-reduce. Then, syempre, if you are using good workflows for the automation, it will give you an efficiency on your side. And once you have an efficiency on a workflow, you will have profitable dun sa ating projects, and sustain tayo ng ating reduction para sa material waste. So that's why Tekla 2025 is the best choice in our project. So that's all for my presentation.